Learners, welcome to our lesson in Mathematics 3. Our topic for today is identifying the digit by place value. Share and subscribe. Thank you. Knowledge. Explorers, I'm so excited to see all of your bright faces today. Put on your thinking caps and grab your magic pencils because today we aren't just doing math, we are becoming number detectives. Let's review. What is the place value of the numbers 9 in each given number? For number 1, 9 ones. For number 2, hundreds. Number 3, thousands. And number 4, tens. Intention. Given its place value in a 4-digit number. Which practice. The basic symbol we use to write numbers. Place value, the position of a digit in a number. Value, the actual amount a digit represents. Place value chart, a tool or table used to organize digits so we can easily see their positions. Stem. Digit given its place value in a 4-digit number. Understanding of the key idea stem. Value of a digit refers to the position of the digit in the number. The value of the digit is the actual value of the digit in the number determined by the digit's place value. What number do we have on the chart? It is 934. How many digits does 934 have? And what are they? The number 934 has 3 digits, which are 9, 3, and 4. Is in the ones place. It is 4. What is the value of this digit in 934 and why? It is 4 because it is in the ones place, which means 4 ones or 4. What digit is in the tens place? It is 3. What is the value of this digit in 934 and why? It is 30 because it is in the tens place, which means 30, 3 tens or 30. What digit is in the hundreds place? It is 9. What is the value of this digit in 934 and why? It is 900 because it is in the hundreds place, which means 9 hundreds or 900 in numerals. Where do we have on the chart? It is 6057. How many digits does 6057 have? What are they? The number 6057 has 4 digits, which are 6, 0, 5, and 7. In the ones place, it is 7. What is the value of this digit in 6057 and why? It is 7 because it is in the ones place, which means 7 ones or 7 in numerals. The tens place, it is 5. What is the value of this digit in 6057 and why? It is 50 because it is in the tens place, which means 5 tens or 50 in numerals. Place, it is 0. What is the value of this digit in 6057 and why? It is 0 because it means 0 hundreds or 0. It is 6. What is the value of this digit in 6057 and why? It is 6,000 because it is in the thousands place, which means 6,000 or 6,000 in numerals. What number do we have on the board? It is 3,812. How many digits does 3,812 have? What are they? The number 3,812 has 4 digits, which are 3, 8, 1, and 2. Digit is in the tens place. It is 1. How do you know? It is the second digit from the right. The second place value from the right is the tens place. It is the third digit from the left. The third place value from the left is the tens place. Digit is in the hundreds place. It is 8. How do you know? It is the third digit from the right. The third place value from the right is the hundreds place. It is the second digit from the left. The second place value from the left is the hundreds place. Digit is in the ones place. It is 2. How do you know? It is the first digit from the right. The first place value from the right is the ones place. It is the fourth digit from the left. The fourth place value from the left is the ones place. It is the rightmost digit. What digit is in the thousands place? It is 3. How do you know? It is the fourth digit from the right. The fourth place value from the right is the thousands place. It is the first digit from the left. The first place value from the left is the thousands place. It is the leftmost digit. Understanding of the key idea stem. Below to test your skills. Try to visualize the place value chart for each one. Number 1. What is the digit in the tens place? Number 2. What is the digit in the ones place? Number 3. What is the digit in the hundreds place? Number 4. What is the digit in the ones place? Number 5. What is the digit in the hundreds place? Number 6. What is the digit in the tens place? Here are the correct answers. For number 1, tens place 0. Number 2, ones place is 9. Number 3, hundred place is 5. Number 4, ones place is 3. Number 5, hundreds place is 6. And number 6, 4,273, the tens place is 7. Generalization and abstraction. How do you determine the digit given its place value in a 4-digit number? The first digit from the right is in the ones place. It is the fourth digit from the left. It is the rightmost digit. The second digit from the right is in the tens place. It is the third digit from the left. Third digit from the right is in the hundreds place. It is the second digit from the left. The fourth digit from the right is in the thousand place. It is the first digit from the left. It is the leftmost digit. Learners, welcome to our lesson, Evaluating Learning. Table. Your teacher will give you enough time to accomplish the table. Great job today, everyone. You listen well, share your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. See you next time.